Hello, I'm Jasmine P. Ebora, and this is a brief summary of the study entitled The Political and Psychological Effects of Shipping. Fandom culture in the digital age has evolved into a significant social force that shapes entertainment, consumption, personal identities, and collective behavior. A key aspect of this culture is romantic shipping, where fans imagine or promote romantic relationship between fictional or real individuals. Although often viewed as harmless, romantic shipping has developed notable psychological and political implications, particularly within online platforms such as AO3, Twitter, TikTok, Reddit, YouTube, and Tumblr. Through these spaces, fan communities actively create content, defend preferred pairings, and mobilize collective actions that can influence public opinion, media narratives, and even political discourse. Psychologically, romantic shipping affects emotional development, parasocial relationship, and perception of reality, offering both positive outcomes such as creativity and belonging, and negative effects like obsession, emotional distress, and conflict when it becomes toxic. Politically, shipping can shape discussion around gender, sexuality, representation, and power by either reinforcing or challenging dominant ideologies. The study seeks to examine these psychological and political effects, emphasizing the importance of understanding how popular culture practices intersect with mental health and political awareness in contemporary society. The study aims to examine the political and psychological effects of romantic shipping on individuals and society. Specifically, it seeks to answer seven questions. What is romantic shipping, and how does it manifest in modern fandom culture? What psychological effects does romantic shipping have on individuals, particularly fans? How does romantic shipping influence emotional attachment and parasocial relationship? What political implication arise from romantic shipping in online and public spaces? How does romantic shipping affect social behavior, identity formation, and group dynamics? What are the positive and negative consequences of romantic shipping? And what recommendations can be proposed to promote healthy engagement in shipping culture? Romantic shipping has notable psychological and political effects on fans and online communities. Psychologically, it offers emotional satisfaction, escapism, creativity, and a sense of belonging, as fans project personal desires and sense of personal desires and values onto imagined relationships, though this can blur the line between fiction and reality. When excessive, shipping may result in obsessive behavior, emotional dependencies, and psychological distress, particularly when preferred pairings are criticized or rejected. Politically, romantic shipping intersects with debates on gender, sexuality, and representation, sometimes serving as a form of resistance and identity affirmation, especially in same sex pairings, while at other times reinforcing traditional power structures. Shipping communities often mobilize collective actions and online campaigns, and reflecting how fandom engagement can translate into political participation. As for the recommendations, the study recommended to encourage media literacy education to help fans distinguish fiction from reality, promote healthy fandom engagement and respectful discourse, raise awareness of the psychological risk associated with excessive parasocial involvement, encourage further research on fandom culture and its societal impact, support mental health initiatives within online community. Uh, this study, to finish off, is actually incomplete. Still going under literations editing. Yeah.